Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am on the patio on a slightly windy day, and I have this here. This is the Daicel, and it is a cordless blower. So let's check this thing out and see how it works. I have a patio here, and it's got a little bit of junk on it, so let's see if it'll work blowing it off. So let's see what we got here in the box. We have a strap and some instructions. I guess this is the extender pull for it. So it's like the charger. That will come in handy. And I guess this is going to be the unit here, Daicel. And then I'm guessing these are going to be batteries. I'm going to have to put the box over here. Let's see what this is here. You think it has two batteries? Well, this is definitely one battery. Two batteries. That's pretty cool. So you can have one charging while the other one's going or whatever. Let's plug one of these in and see if it turns on. It works. Okay, so let's check it out here with this. So let's see these extender posts here. As I go, I have to put all my plastic in the box because it'll blow away. So here we'll put this on here. And this go on the end. I guess this just makes it extra long. So you could have it like this and just blow normal, or you could blow with an extra tip on this. Let's see what this strap is for. Let us see. So it's going to strap onto this. I guess we can clip it on, and then as we walk around with it, it just won't fall off. So how cool is that? That's pretty cool. Yep, there we go. So now we got it strapped on, so I can do it like this. Hopefully I'm not hitting the microphone too much. And now I'll walk around. So let's try this out here. Let me see. I'll aim you guys this way, and I'll aim you down. Let's give this thing a try. I should have done this on my left side, not my right side, but let's see. Can we see this? Can you see me? We got it. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to say that was quite successful. I really did clean it up. It's all nice and clean here. I totally wasn't expecting to get that much power out of this. But I guess 20 volts is a lot. I think that's probably more than my other blower that I have in my other kit of stuff. You know, all those famous brand ones and everything are usually the 18 volts. So yeah, so how cool was that? So this is it says 90 decibels. So it was fairly quiet too. And by Daicel right here. And the model is DL001. So, man, if you need a blower, that's pretty cool. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.